Hey guys, so I wanted to show you guys really quick how you can make you a healthy, dairy-free DIY Subway sandwich. Now, my family, we love Subway. My husband loves Subway, okay? But sometimes it can get a little bit pricey. And then plus on top of that, my husband doesn't eat meat and I don't eat dairy. So on top of that, I kind of feel like I'm not getting my money's worth. So I decided to do my own. And so I already know I'm going to have leftovers with this, but I spent a little bit over $20. It's about $1.35 over, but still at the same time, I was able to not only make sandwiches for me and my whole family. My husband was able to eat his sandwich with no meat, and my husband and my two children can bring their sandwiches for lunch tomorrow, so, or even for a couple of days tomorrow. So I am very happy about that. So I want to show you how I'm going to make mine dairy free, and how I'm going to enjoy my DIY. So come with me. Then I'm going to have some chips with and a drink, and that is it. And try to do this for yourself. I will definitely challenge you to try to make your own DIY Subway sandwiches and do it for less than $20. All right, guys, take care. Bye.